Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the European Auto Expo in Lodi, New Jersey. Today we're gonna be checking out an Audi RS5 2022. I'm gonna give my review on it, and then we're gonna do a little test drive, a little walk around, and let you know if it's a good option for you guys. So stay tuned, here we go. I've always been a fan of Audi's RS performance line. Today we're checking out the Audi RS5 equipped with the dynamic package. This model features black accents, a blacked out grille, and an overall aggressive aesthetic. Finished in Nardo gray, this RS5 really stands out. The bold body lines and the uniquely sculpted hood, part of the B9 series design, add to its distinctive presence. The way the hood flows seamlessly into the headlights creates a sharp, aggressive front end. And of course, that signature honeycomb grille not only defines RS identity, but it also sets it apart from the competition. The RS5 truly stands apart from the A5 and S5 with its distinctive oval-shaped exhaust tips, measuring approximately 7.25 inches in width by 5.75 inches in height. Now, so you guys can hear, let's check out the exhaust note. This Audi RS5 is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes featuring 4-wheel ABS, front and rear vented rotors, and brake assist for adding stopping power. The suspension setup includes a multi-link design at both the front and rear, paired with coiling springs to deliver a balanced mix of comfort and performance. The 2022 Audi RS5 typically rides on Pirelli P0 tires. These are high-performance summer tires known for their exceptional grip and precise handling. Depending on the wheel size, it comes fitted with either 265 by 35 R19s on 19-inch wheels or 275/30 R20s on 20-inch wheels. Under the hood, the RS5 is packed with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 444 horsepower and 442 pound-foot of torque. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, this car can go from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Pair all this with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension, and you'll be ready for track days while staying confident in any weather condition. Probably one of the first mods most people do to these cars is upgrading to an aftermarket cold air intake. The next mod will most likely be upgrading the turbo inlets and then upgrading to an aftermarket downpipe that is less restrictive. The RS5 Coupe offers 10.9 cubic feet of trunk space with a compact spare tire stored beneath the cargo floor. A power trunk release button is located on the driver's door panel, and the key fob includes a remote trunk open function for added convenience. So man, the interior of this Audi RS5 is crazy. It feels tight, which is good because it's a sports vehicle. Like, you want to feel like you're supported by the seat, and it really does feel like that. I don't move around as much. I know it's leather seats. I know Alcantara is way better for gripping to your clothing to make sure you're not sliding around when you're hitting corners and stuff like that. But the leather feels really soft and nice. You know, this feels like a bucket seat. So anyways, this vehicle has a sunroof. I don't know how to operate this thing at all. This might be the sunroof. There it is. The cockpit features a driver-focused dash with navigation, car information, digital speedometer, and many more features all in one location. The steering wheel accented by carbon fiber trim and Alcantara on the hand grips for a motorsport-inspired look and feel. Extended carbon fiber paddle shifters offer a premium tactile feel and quick gear engagement for a better driving experience. And of course, you have the signature RS badging on the steering wheel. Ooh, that just did something different. Okay, so when you hit the RS button, it puts it into sport mode, I'm guessing. Let's see, let's press it again. So that says RS2, and then it's back to normal. The central MMI touchscreen offers easy access to media, radio, phone settings, and Audi Drive Select, letting you fine-tune your driving experience with just a few taps. Located just below the screen, the climate controls are intuitive and responsive with high-quality materials that reflect Audi's attention to detail. In the center, you'll find a sleek gear selector alongside 2 front cup holders, with even more conveniently placed throughout the cabin. Under the center armrest, a wireless charging pad provides a modern, clutter-free way to keep your phone charged. Audi has come a long way for those who remember the old BA cell phone charging setup. The interior of this model features crescendo red fine Napa leather with Alcantara accents. Carbon fiber trim is found throughout the cabin, instantly reminding you this isn't your average Audi. I fit in the back seat pretty well. I got a lot of headspace here. I'm good. Nice view out of the window. It's not like too cramped. I feel comfortable if I put the seat back 6 foot. So I got a lot of space. I'm guessing, yeah, there it goes. Folds out. Cup holders on both sides. Zooms. You got your speakers on the side here. More Alcantara around. You have another cup holder down here. This car like has the world record for like cup holders for a sports car, man. This is crazy. So it has like a really nice mean tone to it. All right, so we're gonna go into drive, and then we'll go on the sports mode to see the difference of that. See, I've been driving my SUV, so I kind of forgot how it feels being in a low car. So regular drive mode feels pretty good. It has a really linear pickup in the drive mode. It's smooth. We're hitting a few bumps, but man, you can just feel the suspension in this thing. It's really planted to the ground. I love the way this feels. So this one definitely has the Quattro in it, and I mean, what that's gonna do, all of the tires are gonna spin. You have unlimited slip diff in this vehicle as well. Obviously ABS brakes, but on all 4 tires, or all 4 wheels. So you're pretty covered in that area. Let's see. Oh, wow. You really hear that bass. Oh my goodness, this is crazy, man. Now that's one thing, because the RS5, the original, had the 4.2. Yeah, it was from the R8. So they had the V8 in it from the R8. And then they obviously went to the V6 twin turbo. I had an S5. Okay. I had both. I had the S5, the newer version with the V6. From my experience, the newer version was way faster. That was one of the reasons why I kind of was like, all right, you know, I'm gonna miss the sound, but I know I'm gonna have more speed. Yes. The top end on the 4.2 just didn't do it. Like, it had what was it, 6-speed, yep. 6-speed automatic. So it's like, once you get into 6, you know, it's nothing else there. You know what I mean? Yep. But the V6s just have so much more that you can do to them with the turbo. You can upgrade the turbo, you can get the downpipes, all these different things. The 4.2, the engine compartment was so tight, there was no room to do anything extra to that. So I think it was a smart move for them to move away from it. That's an R3? No, that's a GSX. Oh, shit.
The difference is brutal,
my God, man. Yo, this thing is so fast.
It's brutal.
Yeah, that's crazy. Wow. So we're in manual right now. I'm gonna just get on it. I think we're in third. All right, let's go. Let me slow down. Yikes. All right, so yeah, this car accelerates really quickly, man. Wow. Just the downshift, just hear it, man. Just hitting like that. Nice brakes on it. So if you guys are in the market for a really fast sports car that's not too crazy, but you can still take this thing to the track and have a lot of fun, compete with any car out there, the RS5 is definitely a great option. At European Auto Expo, the salesmen are great guys. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can see their website and go check out their inventory. Oh, they're beeping me, okay. Alright, is it that turn?
Yeah, we have to be here, but we can go straight. I'll show you.
Alright. That guy was mad.
Yeah.
Alright guys, what do you think? Would you daily the Audi RS5 or would you prefer something else? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, huge shout out to the guys down at European Auto Expo for giving me the opportunity to do a review on their Audi RS5. And if you guys like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.